Hello scientist, welcome back to Biochem Classroom 1, where you can find the more detailed science course like biology and chemistry. So, yesterday we explored the chemistry lab with titration. Today we are switching to biology and we are going to explore an entirely different world that is invisible to the naked. Did you know that a single drop of water contains thousands of living organisms, or that your skin is covered in more bacteria than people on the earth? You can't see any of this without essential tools, the microscope. By the end of this 20-minute video, you will know how to use a microscope properly and how to prepare bones right and how to avoid common mistakes that protect ignorance. Let's dive into hidden horn. Before using microscopy, you need to stick its lens. Microscope has about 12 main parts. Each has a specific job to perform. Don't worry, you don't have to memorize everything today, but understanding these parts will make focusing much easier. But microscope has main three parts, which are head, base, and arm. First, let's look at the structure of the arm. It is how the parts involved when you carry the microscope. And the base is the bottom that supports the whole instrument. Important to know number one, always carry microscopy with one hand on the arm and another hand on the base. Never carry it just one part. So this means the arms and base, they are parts of microscope which support microscope required. Also, everyone is microscope on the table. Now, let's talk about the light of light microscopy. At the very bottom, you have the light source, either a built-in lamp or mirror that reflects external light. Above that is a condenser, which focuses light onto your specimen, and between them you will find the diaphragm. This is like pupils of the eye. It controls how much light reaches the sample. Here is pro tip. When you start, keep the diaphragm open about 70 to 80%. Just as needed. So, the above right system is a stage, flattened platform where you press your strand. Most microscopes have a stage tilt or a stage to hold your strand. Press. If you have a mechanical stage, there is knob to move strand left or right or forward or backward smoothly. So let's jump to the most important part of the microscope, the lens part. This is called the angle. It is like the heart of the microscope. At the top, you look through eyepiece or ocular lens. This is usually magnified by 10 magnification. You know that to the resolving gloss are the objective gloss. Most microscopes have 3 or 4 of the objective lens. Because the objective lens has different magnification levels. First, there is scanning objective lens, which has magnification of 4, and low power objective of 10, and also higher power objective of 40. So the final parts of microscopy, they are focus knobs, which include the cursor focus knob and the find focus knob. The cursor focus knob, this is a big knob. It moves the stage up and down quickly. Warning: only use this with scanning or